Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So let's start today's video with this beautiful and gorgeous looking Echeveria pulvinate ruby, and look at it. It has a small flower which is already blooming. What a beautiful colored flower. So this is it, and the edges of the leaves are turning ruby red. Actually, as I tell you every time, it is supposed to turn full red. That happens because of the sunlight, but that hasn't happened yet in this particular plant. Now moving on to our spathiphyllum. This plant is making me really happy. Look at it, how beautiful it looks. Now even if this plant doesn't bloom this season, but I'm happy with it. What a gorgeous looking plant. Now let's move on to our geranium, which has bloomed after a long gap. I had bought this plant from the flower show in the month of February. This is the white splash, if I'm not wrong. But one thing that I noticed about this particular geranium is that the buds are very scanty. I just had 3 buds here, but they have bloomed. It may be because my plant is not that very healthy and the heat is disturbing the plant very much, but thankfully it has bloomed and I am happy with it. Beautiful. A beautiful name and a beautiful flower. What I noticed about geraniums is that the heat is not favorable for the geraniums. The size of the flowers decreases considerably. The leaves get burnt, the leaves turn yellow, the edges, margins of the leaves turn brown. And this is my orange glitters. This too had been bought from the flower show. Look at the state of the plant, how pathetic it looks. And I am very much worried about this particular plant because I want it to survive till October, because from October the temperature is going to go down and then geraniums will thrive better. Right now this is how it looks. The size of the flower is too very small and the flowers are also scanty. This is another geranium which I had bought from the Gorkhe Haat, and it is supposed to be blooming beautifully, but look at the state of the blooms. That is because of the heat. And look at the leaves are turning yellow because of excessive heat, and I'm just waiting for October to come. Look at the size of the flower, it has diminished, and this is a beautiful flower. Actually, it's a shaded flower. It is supposed to be bigger than what I'm showing you right now, but the heat is disturbing the growth of my geraniums, but nothing can be done. By now I have understood geraniums are not for the plains, although we buy, but it is not for the plains. Now this is the interesting chap, the one which I had shown you in, I think, one of my videos, and I had asked you all to identify the plant. Finally the leaf has unfurled. This is my beautiful caladium. So this is the plant, and look at it, how gorgeous, how delicate the pink color looks. Actually, I'll put up the link. Actually, in one of my videos I had asked you all to identify the plant because just a tiny shoot had been given by this particular caladium, and right now look at it, how graceful, how beautiful it looks, and another leaf is about to unfurl. So the time for caladiums have already started, and I have another caladium, but it is still in the sleep mode, so let's wait for it. Now moving on to my red geranium, which is blooming right now. I have been showing you this geranium for quite some time now, because you all know I love geraniums and I had to show you. But one thing that I would like to show you all is, please be careful. Please check the underneath of the geraniums because of the fungus that is attacking the geraniums right now, at least in the plains. I don't know about in the hills, but in the plains, white fungus is attacking the underside of the geranium plants, so we have to be careful. Now this is my cryptanthus, showing it to you after quite a long time. These are the plants, you can just put them up in the pot and forget about them. But yes, you have to keep an eye for the ants, those nasty ants. This is my golden sedum, which is doing just wonderful. This is the cutting that I had taken some months back. Now this particular chap surprised me. This is my dollar plant. I couldn't believe my eyes. I think for 2-3 days I had not paid much attention, and this is the growth I see on the third or the fourth day. Look at it. I am just very surprised. Actually, when I just noticed it, I couldn't believe my eyes. How could I miss its growth? Look at it, how big it has become. At one time, dollar plant nearly had made me cry because a small girl had snipped off all the leaves and it was just bare. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video useful, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today.